Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP ka Rajya Sabha ka Jylla u Dr. Wanway Roy Kharlukhi. Habakren bat kinong thok khubor, ula ong ka sensyar Paidbah haki riulum kaladon nadu menchwa. Ula ong badon laka jong karukom sensyar Paidbah. Ula ong ngilayoi kumnu ki jiet yagis im ki daloi. MP ka Rajya Sabha ula ong ru bagi Paidbah ka Jylla, kim Pdiang yaka Kolshor ban Ïashoh Ïadat haki por Ilekshon, kumbalong ha ka Jylla West Bengal. Ki Paidbah ka Jylla kim shania ha ka jing Ïashoh Ïadat, layoi kumnu ka jia ha West Bengal, bun ki jing ya ka jia bat pen mensau. Henry ngidei ki riulum ngim long kumtu.
Ngatrai pilai I gitu reaction jong ke parti jong I. Kelingan kaliang jong Snow is not worth reacting. Mo breu song tho tangi kertan jong. So it's not worth to react.
So does a man of a stature can use such language?
That's why I said I don't find it worth reacting, because he's a like to say number 2 of a national party. To speak like that without any facts and things, I think is not worth.
So what is the culture that they are trying to bring? Will the people of the state accept?
No, the people of the state will not accept. We never believe in violence. You have seen the election in West Bengal. A lot of violence. We, the people decide, we tribals, we are not like that. We actually, I'm proud to say that if you speak of democracy, I have given a paper in Indian Council of Social Scientific Research that, the democracy is not only a Greek concept, it is a concept of our people also. We have our own concept of democracy, and I think you know very well about how we elect OSIM, how we elect Deloitte and all this. So for them, democracy, for us, democracy is in a seminar in 1972, in a paper in Simla. You know that our people here were right from 3rd century BC we are here. So this is the democracy that we inherit, and their democracy is, I say, is too short a period. I don't think our people will accept such culture. They will not accept such culture. We are not into that culture. I told you that democracy, its roots is deep rooted in our state. Nothing will happen. Announcing now and then, I think you have seen because we have given the deputy CM in charge of certain areas, then some minister marching out in charge. We keep on telling through the press that this is our candidate, this is our candidate.